If you're looking to elevate your home coffee experience, the Gevi EzBru 1000 Espresso Machine stands out as a versatile and user-friendly choice. Huge shout out to Gevi for sponsoring today's video, so be sure to check the link in the video description. Now let's go over its highlights and key features. Durable and stylish design. Crafted with the full stainless steel housing, the Gevi EzBru not only adds a modern aesthetic to your kitchen, but also promises durability. Its compact size makes it suitable for various countertop spaces, blending seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Featuring a removable 2.2-liter water tank, the Gevi EzBru allows for multiple consecutive brews without the hassle of frequent refills. This feature is ideal for households where coffee is enjoyed throughout the day. Intuitive control panel. The Gevi EzBru 1000 simplifies the brewing process with an intuitive control panel featuring a power button and a control knob. Whether you prefer a quick single shot, a robust double shot, or need steam for frothing milk, this machine makes selection effortless. Enjoy the flexibility of 4 brewing volume options, allowing you to tailor each cup to your exact taste preferences. Precise temperature control. The PID, or proportional integral derivative temperature control system, ensures precise brewing and steaming in espresso machines by adjusting heating intensity based on temperature deviations. Users can set target temperatures for stable and customizable coffee brewing. With 4 adjustable brewing temperatures, the machine optimally heats water to extract maximum flavor for coffee beans, avoiding under-extraction or bitterness. Enhanced extraction with large portafilter. The Gevi EzBru features a substantial 58mm portafilter, providing ample surface area for superior water to coffee contact. This design promotes a fuller extraction of flavors and oils, resulting in a richer espresso. Prior to extraction, the Gevi gently saturates the coffee puck. This process minimizes channeling and optimizes extraction rates, ensuring a smooth and flavorful espresso shot every time. Effortless milk frothing. Achieve barista-quality lattes and cappuccinos with ease using the Gevi's stable steam wand. It consistently produces rich, velvety foam, enhancing your coffee experience with every cup. Customer satisfaction guarantee. Gevi stands behind its products with a 12-month warranty and lifetime tech support. This assurance assures peace of mind, knowing that any issues with your espresso machine will be promptly addressed by their dedicated customer service team. In conclusion, the Gevi EzBru 1000 espresso machine excels in delivering a premium coffee experience at home. With its intuitive controls, precise brewing options, and durable design, it's a standout choice for both novice and experienced coffee aficionados alike.